Welcome to my YouTube video. My name is Laura Erdman-Luntz and I'm the founder of lauraerdmanluntz.com and the Yoga and Essential Oils Yoga series. In this video, I'm going to share something that's from my heart to yours. If you are like me and have suffered from adrenal fatigue off and on, or you're in it right now, or you just have a really stressed out lifestyle, you are going to love this. This is going to be a super quick video that you can tap into anytime you feel yourself all caught in your head, which is what happens when we are pushing our adrenals to the max and really stressed out. We are caught in our heads. We're thinking, we're worrying, we're stressed out. This is going to be all about getting out of our heads and into our bodies in the fastest way possible. I want to teach you a couple of tips and tricks that you can tap into at any time during the day. And of course, we are going to be adding essential oils into the mix because we want to get the most out of our time on our yoga mat. The oils I use are Young Living, only Young Living. You can link below to find out more. If you want to learn out more ways to add essential oils into your yoga practice, then definitely click below and grab my free ebook that's there for you to enjoy. If you enjoy this topic, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell as well to get notified every time that I release something new. Okay, if you're ready, I'm ready. Grab a blanket and I will see you on the yoga mat. Okay, while I am on my yoga mat, this series is meant to be done really anywhere as long as you can get on the floor. There's a couple of poses that you do need to be on the floor for, but I want you to be able to do this right before bed without pulling out all of your equipment. For sure, you could even do this in bed. Now, for the oils, I think for this in particular, this series, oils are really crucial. They're going to help you make more out of your time here. And for someone who's stressed out, usually don't feel like you have a lot of time, and it can be really powerful to get even more out of this. It's going to help support your body even more. I have lots of adrenal fatigue information for you, and you can link below to get on my adrenal fatigue mailing list so I can share even more with you. Okay, so that said, I always use a grounding oil, and in particular when I'm working and getting out of my head, it's crucial. It's actually the main crux of this entire series. Now, when I am working on this in particular, I also put the same grounding oils, or just grounding oils period, in the diffuser. So I'm going to put them on my feet and in the diffuser. The ones I recommend, there are two in particular I recommend. Sacred Mountain, I talk about this one a lot. I love this blend. It is so grounding. It's actually blended to make you feel like you're walking through nature. So one of the most grounding things we can do when we're stuck in our heads is walk barefoot through the grass. This creates that energy for us. Sacred Mountain is amazing. The other one I definitely recommend is Vetiver. Vetiver is, you know what, y'all? It's earth in a bottle. It is so thick. It kind of smells like dirt, to be honest. I actually sometimes have to take off the top and slowly drip it out because it doesn't even come out of the hole. If you warm it up, that sometimes helps to get it out, but it's super thick. This feels so good on your feet. It's amazing. And that said, I don't have it in front of me. I didn't bring it along, but Valerian is also really good for the nervous system when you're feeling a little fried. So I'm gonna throw that one out there too, because that's a really good one. It's very stinky, just FYI. So if you open it, smell it, and think, what is she doing? It's really good. You just gotta trust me. The last one I would throw out there is Valor, because it comes in the starter kit. It's very, very grounding. It helps ground the crazies, when you're feeling pulled in every direction, which is what is happening if you're having an adrenal moment or are feeling really stressed out and headed that way, right? This is very, very grounding too. This and Valor smells amazing. Valor and Sacred Mountain both smell amazing and are great in the diffuser, and they're great to sleep with if you are feeling that that frazzledness. For now though, what we're going to do is we're going to take a drop of whatever oil you choose into your hand. And it's okay if you don't have the oils. You don't need to use them here. We're just going to rub our feet. Now, we're specifically going to be rubbing the feet to connect with them. If you are stuck in your head, you will have your prana, your chi, your life force is all in your head, and it's going to be like you have a bubble around your head. And we need to pull that bubble down into the body, specifically into the heart and down into the legs, in order to get out of the stressed place. So you're going to rub your feet. You're rubbing the oils into the feet if you have them, because they're going to help ground your energy. But if you don't, just rub your feet. That's fine. Now, hold the feet. You're going to hold the right hand on the right foot, left hand on the left. Close your eyes. Bring yourself to your breath. Feel your breath as it floats in and out of your body. Visualize your inhale bringing in calm, and your exhale is releasing tension, letting you relax and release. Feel like you're exhaling stale, old energy as you inhale fresh and new. Begin to extend your exhale just a little. And often when we're stuck in our heads, this can be a little tricky. Just do the best you can. The more you relax, the easier it will become. We'll just take a few more breaths here. And then as you draw out that exhale, bring your awareness to your legs. Feel like you're breathing out through your legs and down through the soles of your feet. All right, now move into cross-legged. Cross your legs. And just find your position on top of the sit bones and just notice if you're already feeling a shift. Big shoulder rolls. Bring them forward, really big. Let yourself rock back and forth on the sit bones too. Get into the back. We're just releasing some of that tension that comes along with being stuck in our heads. One more, and then change direction all the way around. And one more. Squeeze the shoulder blades together, open the arms up, and release. Doesn't that feel good? It's so simple. Change the cross of your legs. And up on top of the sit bones again. Draw the belly in, lift tall, shoulders are down. Take the back of your right hand to the base of your spine, draw the shoulder back, lift tall. Take your left ear down to your shoulder. Just feel a nice stretch up the right side of your neck. Turn your head down at an angle, as if you're looking underneath your arm. Feel the stretch. And bring the head back up and release. Change sides. Draw the shoulder back, lift tall. Take the right ear down. And turn your head down at an angle. And bring your head back up. And release and just take a breath. All right, one more. Now that we've begun the grounding and getting out of our heads, we're going to do child's pose. So I want you, for the purposes of this class, is to get as small as possible. Pull all of your energy in so it's not being, dispersed in all sorts of ways. So get yourself as small as you can. If you can do your knees together, great. If you need to separate them a bit in order to breathe, that's totally fine. Keep your hands back by your feet, round your spine, and come all the way down. Take your forehead down. Feel free to add whatever props you need to be comfortable. And just let everything go. Feel your breath into your back body. It's one of the positions where you can't breathe into the front of the body because your thighs are in the way. And that's a good thing. Bring your breath into the back body, letting it soften. Back body breathing also stimulates the relaxation response. Take a few more breaths. And then come on out. All right. I hope you're feeling a little bit more like you can exhale. Isn't that nice? And it only just took a few minutes. I hope you enjoy this series and use it whenever it is you need to let go, ground yourself, and feel better. Again, I just want to remind you that I have my link for my mailing list for just a few adrenal depletion ideas that I've used over the years to help heal myself from chronic fatigue. And I would love to share them with you. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to ask. Happy to help. Thank you so much for joining me. It has really been my honor to share this whole series with you. Thank you. If you enjoyed, please like it and leave me a comment. And also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to receive notifications every time I release a new video. Thanks for joining me. Namaste.